Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can monitor your Linux machine. For instance, sometimes you want to have a view of how everything is working. For instance, you want to see the CPU usage, the memory usage, and other components that make up the machine. There is a very simple tool which you can use to visualize all these things just on one screen. What I'm talking about is the tool called htop. Htop is something that you need to install before you use it because it doesn't come with Linux. To do that, we can install it. It is called htop. So this will take a couple of seconds to get installed. Once htop is installed, you can just issue the command htop, and that's it. So this is very user-friendly. As you can see, everything is color-coded. You can also see the bars that are shown here. Now you can see the process ID, the user. You can see the CPU, the memory usage, and how long these things have been in use. You can also see the commands here. You can see the load average, the tasks, and the uptime of the machine itself. So this tool kind of makes it easier for you to visualize what is happening on your Linux machine. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, can I ask you to subscribe to my channel, to like, and to share? Thank you.